I decided now is a hot dog. And I decided that because we're gonna go have a hot dog and I need that for the video to work. There are a lot of hot dog places in Times Square, but this one, John's Famous, it said there that it's the world's best hot dog. So that seems pretty official to me. What is like the most classic? This is my first one actually.
Spicy or regular?
Spicy. All right, that's all right, man. You can keep the change. Thanks so much. Have a good night. This is my first ever hot dog in New York.
Go ahead, I'm gonna see it.
All right, let me do that. Damn, that guy was great. I love that guy. Shout out to that guy. So there I was in rainy Times Square, surrounded by hundreds of shiny advertisements, eating a kinda shitty hot dog. For some reason, the uniqueness of that moment made me happy, and it's now a beautiful memory in my brain. Objectively, it's not great, but in the context of eating it in Times Square at 1:30 a.m. in the morning, it hits the spot, and I love it. And it's starting to rain again, so I will rate this I'll give it a 7.